Alright, let's make Spanish Seafood Paella, one of the most iconic flavor packed one pot dishes in the world. This is going to be absolutely incredible. Let's start by bringing your pan to medium heat and add a quarter cup of good olive oil. Drop in 2 bay leaves and let them bloom in the oil for a couple of minutes. Now, dice 2 shallots and add them to the pan. Saute until they turn soft and translucent. Next, chop 4 garlic cloves and stir them in. Cook for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Dice 1 bell pepper and add it to the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it softens slightly. Now, add quarter cup of white wine to deglaze and scrape up all those beautiful bits from the bottom. Add half a teaspoon of saffron and mix it well. This is going to give that golden color and aroma. Now pour in 1 cup of tomato puree and let it cook down for 2 to 3 minutes. Cut 4 chicken thighs into cubes and add them to the pan. Gently fold them into the sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a generous crack of black pepper. Add 2 cups of Spanish rice and mix it well into the sauce. Make sure every grain gets coated. Pour in 4 cups of chicken stock. Give them a gentle shake to distribute everything evenly. Do not stir the rice from this point on. Add in some freshly chopped parsley and let it cook uncovered on medium-low heat. Be patient, you are waiting for the stock to almost fully absorb. It's time to add the seafood. We need half a pound of calamari. Just layer it on top of the rice. Now add half a cup of frozen green peas. Just scatter it across the top. Add half a pound of shrimp, nestling them right into the rice. Season everything with a little bit of salt and pepper. And finally, 1 pound of fresh mussels. Let everything cook low and slow until the shrimps are pink, the mussels have opened, and the calamari is tender. Once it's done, turn off the heat and close the lid and rest them for 10 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley and some lemon wedges. Finish with a generous drizzle of olive oil right before serving. Every bite is an absolute flavor explosion. Take care, see you next time.